Well, hey guys, it's snowing, so we are going to test our Starlink in the snow. It's supposed to snow like this all day, so I'm just gonna wait till tonight, and then after we get another like 4 or 5 inches, I will I'll test it and we'll see how it's holding up. Sounds good.
What is up, guys? I'm Hamlik, bringing you a Starlink update. We've been having a lot of snow. Excuse the cam. For some reason, it's been a little choppy lately, and I haven't figured out the issue. But we can live through it. It's kind of it is what it is, right? All right. Anyways, so it's been heaving snow everywhere, and we have about 4.5, 5 inches of snow. And we're gonna go ahead and test to see how Starlink is doing and performing in the snow. And yeah, we'll talk about some other things as well. Anyways, apologies about the camera being a little weird and glitchy, but if you are new here, I provide daily gaming and review content, so make sure you subscribe and turn those alerts on so you don't miss out on any of the action. Let's not waste any more time. Without further ado, let's get it.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? Just saying, I'm not wearing a mask because of COVID. I'm wearing a mask because it's freaking cold outside and it's snowing. You can't tell. So that's the pool. That's why it's not really fully covered. But we got about 5.5 inches out here of snow. About 5.5 inches. So we're gonna test to see how Starlink is performing in the Pacific Northwest with snow while we mounted onto the roof. So, here we go. There's the pool. Whoa. See, we got like 5.5 inches of snow there. All right, we're on the deck. So there's the dish. It looks very clean. Looks like the warming system on it is working just fine. But we need to go see how the internet itself is doing. But if you check that out, it looks pretty good. But yeah, you can see here on the awning here how much snow we got, right? It's about 4 or 5 inches right there. Yeah, the white on top is sitting on top of the roof. You can also see it down here, how much snow we got. And it's still snowing. But there it is on the roof. So we're gonna head back inside and do some speed tests. See how it does here.
All right, we are back inside, and now it is time to do some speed tests. So we're going to see how this is doing in the snow. So it does not seem like we are doing very well, but it is working. Saw that the dish was clear. It is working. So it is working. You know, it's not optimal, but it is. It's doing what it's supposed to do, right? It is. It's doing it. All right, so obviously we're seeing our speeds that are not optimal compared to what it is or has been, but it is, you know, it's still working. I'm not having any issues. You know, my wife's upstairs using it now. It's probably affecting the download speed a little bit. but we'll see how this goes here, and let's keep our eye on it. So we're seeing slightly lower speeds than we normally have. You know, usually it's 60 to 150 download and like 9 upload. So it's kind of curious to see that the upload speed's actually better than it usually is. So maybe they fixed those issues that we were having earlier. We are actually getting some pretty good speeds, even though the weather hasn't exactly been the greatest. But, you know, it's promising. It works in the snow. The snow melting thing works. We like what we're seeing. And yeah, thank you for watching this update. I have been streaming on Twitch every Wednesday starting at 5 p.m. So make sure you log into that. It's twitch.tv/Hamlik. I'm over on Gab, Minds, whatever. All the socials are all down below. So feel free to follow me on all those other platforms as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the daily gaming and review content we got going on here. Also, don't forget to go check out all the other content we got going on here on this channel. What happens next, you ask? Find out tomorrow.